Hello everyone. Today, we will draw an emperor penguin. Take a black marker and draw an oval for the head and a tall oval for the body. Draw the back of the neck, the upper beak, the front of the neck and the lower beak. Draw a circle for the eye. Draw the tail, the foot, the belly spot and wing. Draw a pupil in the eye and a line in the mouth. Now take a purple marker and color the outside edges of the body and wing. Draw a spot in the beak and color in the rest. Take a yellow marker and draw a spot on the head. Take an orange marker and color the spot on the beak and the foot. Leave the belly spot white and color the rest black. And voila! Our drawing is finished. Awesome job! Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.